Pasensya na po tayo naghang kanina. I hope na maging okay ang ating live. Official score 56. Nakalisot. 56-60. Flores, stop and foul. Basket. 58-61. Lamang pa rin ang home team. Number 5, wala. Same ball. Ayos ko lang po yung oras ko ha. Mamaya repost ko po yung isang live. And Nocentes 4-3. Wala. Number 24. Ito na pa ata official time remaining. 4 minutes and 41 seconds. 63-58. Cheng. Oh, still by number 5. Ayan na! Sayang. Munti ka na nahabol. 65-58. Handoff. Flores. Top of the key. Wala. Rebound by number 24. Let's go. Number 5 to number 1. Wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Sheng to see. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound ng CSA. Number 5. Time out. 67. 67. Score. 67. Time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds. 58-67. Back to the ball game. There we go. Time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Bola natin. Jordan spin. That's a foul. Free throw area, jersey number 23, Jordan Yang. Time remaining 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh! Baba sa balo ang kalamangan ng home team. Foul! Inocentes, no good. Rebound, number 24. Hindi po. Wala.
Kita yan sa live!
Sana tayo sa referee na po.
Oras, ref!
Kita sa live, ref!
Time remaining. Iba po yun dun, iba po. Inocentes, wala.
Defense!
Wala ng savior, let's go. Jordan! Nakalusot si Jordan. Babasa walo ang kalamangan ng CSA. Oh, wala. Ayun na, nag-aagawan. And that's a jump ball. Penalty.
Fix the time! Fix the time! Fix the time!
Penalty. CSA under penalty situation. Crucial free throw para kay jersey number 24. Basket is good.
Fix the time!
Basket. Mabasa anim ang kalamangan ng home team. Ayun na. Inocentes, no good.
Ref, fix the time!
Relax.
2 minutes and 25 seconds. Bola ng home team, number 72. There's a foul. Penalty. Number 5 on the free throw area. No good. Go boys. Wala. Pinasa loob. What an extra pass. Basket para sa San Agustin. Lumalaki ang kalamangan. Balik sa walo ang kalamangan ng CSA. Let's go, Jordan. Yang. Oy, steal. Hand off, number 5.
Relax, relax!
Gets that three. Number 3. Nakapayos yung oras ha. Jordan, pass to. Tumira sa 3. Baka bawi. Si Cheng. Oh, score! 66, 66. Ano yung score?
And yung time, ref?
Hindi, mali 3. Di next score, baliktad.
Pero yung time,
66, tapos 77. 74.
hindi pero yung time kanina.
Oo, yung time.
Wala pa, hindi pa na-adjust. 74!
Wala sila lang. Official tayo, official po. Official po tayo. Dalawa kasi may nag-ano po, may nag-lista doon. Tapos saka yung iba pa yung nag-put ng clock.
Eh, yung time, ref!
Okay yan, good. Okay, official score po natin na 73 to 66. 73 pa lamang daw po ang Colegio de San Agustin. Hand up to Cheng for 3. Yes, sir! Pinadagger 3. Kailangan ang 3-point doon ni Cheng. Sino tatanggap? Number 5. Block. Outlet pass. Cheng with a 3. Oh, in and out.
Tapos na yan sana eh! Wala na yung time! Kanina pa yung time! Kanina pa yung time!
Okay, timeout dito ang Xavier. Official score is 73 to 69. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Yung time, ref! I-check namin sa live yan. Basketball ka?
Naka naman sa live naman po. Nasave naman po sa Facebook.
Save.
Kaya na, pero official po tayo. Official tayo, official talaga. Mag-decision. Official po yung ating ano. Official decision.
Go CSN! Go CSN!
Okay, back to the ball game. 73 to 69. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Let's go. Good luck. Bola rito ng Xavier. Cheng. Pass to C. C, fake. C. Pass to Cheng. Cheng. Pass to C. From elbow. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ng Xavier. What an extra pass. Jordan. Wala. Out of bounds. Xavier's basketball. Last 47 seconds.
Time, time!
47 seconds left. Ayan na, tatanggap si Flores. Flores to C. C, attacking the basket. Block. Walang tawag. Ating referee doon. Time out. Time out, Xavier. Official score 69 to 73. Time remaining last 38.8 seconds.
Let's go CSN! Let's go! Let's go CSN! Let's go! Let's go CSN!
Grabe, 4-point lead ang hinahabol ng Xavier. Naring Xavier School. Grabe, sobrang intense na laban na yan. Pasensya na pa, repost ko po. Sana naka-save yung ating fourth quarter.
Time, ha? We're watching the time, ha?
Let's go! Bola rito ng CSA. Last 38.8 seconds left sa ating natitirang segundo. Oy! But there's a foul! Foul number 3. That's Cheng. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. The free throw area, jersey number 5. Wala. Ayan na! Basket! 5-point lead para sa CSA. Natin ang huddle ni coach ng ating Xavier. 74-69. Tama po. 5-point lead para sa CSA. It's a one stop for CSA. At kailangan maka 3 points ang Xavier dito.
What's the time now?
To down the lead. Back to the ball game. Jordan, kick out for 3. Yes, sir! Mike Flores. Ayan na, down by 2. Nagpapadali. Number 24. Is it a quick foul? Walang foul. Number 24, makababa pa to. Last 22 seconds. Last 12 seconds. Ayan na, number 5. 4 seconds remaining. 3, 2, tumira sa 3. Short. And last 5. 4 seconds remaining. Grabe. 4.1 seconds remaining. Is it a buzzer beater or a quick 2 para sa Xavier? Tingnan natin kung mapipigilan. Wait lang po ah. Wait lang po.
Hoy! Bakit?
Ref, kanina 30 seconds! Kanina! 3 minutes, 3 seconds!
Tingnan natin ano nabibigay natin, referee.
30 seconds kanina!
Ref, kanina.
Baka po, 3 points, earthquake to. Kailangan one stop ng San Agustin.
Wow!
Tingnan natin kung ano gagawin.
Ref, 30 seconds kanina!
Ayan na, dito na tayo sa pinagsakin part. One stop or a buzzer beater tayo. Let's go. Last 6.6 seconds. Okay, let's go. Oy! It's a one stop. Grabe, sobrang intense na laban na yun. At dito na po, nagtatapos. May foul ba? May foul? Wala tayong foul ah. Ayan, handshake na po ang bawat isa. I hope na okay ang ating idol. Ayan si Jordan Yang. Nice game po, nice game. Congrats. Walang foul. Alright, our final score 72-74 sa pagtatapos ng ating laban, and nice game para sa Xavier. And panalo po ang home team natin dito. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong pananood, and especially sa ating Xavier School who's invited me here. Ayan, to the parents of the Xavier. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live.